Good morning. So this is what I accomplished yesterday. Yesterday, approximately around, I don't know, 2 p.m. or so, I got it to this area, except that this female character was about 1 inch higher. And it was all, basically formed out and everything was done, but I just didn't feel right about it. So I had to cut it back way deeper and bring it back to this position here. So now it's pretty good, I think. So I'll have to cut back to, there's a lot of work to do. But this is about the proper distance from him, and all this looks good. You're welcome to ask me any questions that you'd like about this. I encourage you to do so. I'll try to help you in any way that you want, or just answer any questions that you have. I'm going to continue working on this today. Pretty much got what I wanted here. This linchpin worked out well. Cleaning up here and then slowly round it off into her, round her ear off, and so on. And then this cut back here to make it look like this forehead goes behind her won't be done for quite some time. You never cut off what you may need later during the process of a working project. So I can round off the chin and stuff like that. But as you see, all of this area here, this is all going to be pretty much hair. So that's being left in place for now. Slowly I'll move forward. I jump from place to place, as I explained in the previous video. This is her leg here, and it does essentially go here to here, but there's hair in here as well, so I have to leave it in place until I can tackle that. Probably won't tackle this much until I start presenting hair. And the hair, as you know, goes in circles, comes off the head in round and curly ways, off the chin and so on, so I have to spend some time playing with that. I will determine today the depth of this guy, but it's kind of hard to tell without working out this leg. So, I just got to work through it. All right, thanks.